If you're paying for 5 AI tools every month, you're probably crying into your coffee already. SearchAI says it replaces all of them. No subscriptions, no juggling dashboards. Let's see if that's genius or just fancy hype. Hey, Kamal here from testedapps.com. 6 years testing tools that promise freedom, but usually deliver fancy dashboards and zero results. Today, we're breaking down SearchAI. Honest review, real talk, no fluff. If it's bad, I'll tell you. If it's good, I'll show you why. Quick heads up, if you grab SearchAI through my link below, you'll get exclusive bonuses I built myself. Traffic tools, SEO workflows, real-world stuff. Details are in the description. SearchAI is an all-in-one AI software platform. It's built for people who want results, not 20 tabs open and a monthly bill a talk. The main promise is simple. Use one dashboard to create content, images, videos, copy, websites, and more. All without switching tools, all without monthly subscriptions. SearchAI works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, log in and type what you want. No onboarding maze, easier than setting up Gmail. Step 2, SearchAI decides which AI model fits your task. You don't guess, you don't research, no PhD required. Step 3, you get the output. Content, images, video, copy, boom, work done. That's it. Here's what actually matters. First benefit, one dashboard. No more tool hopping like a caffeinated squirrel. Second benefit, time savings. Tasks that took hours now take minutes. Third benefit, cost control. One payment instead of 5 monthly charges. Fourth benefit, beginner friendly. If you can type, you can use this. No API drama, no setup nightmares, no hosting NASA to make it work. Let's talk money. SearchAI frontend costs $17 one time. Now compare that. One AI writing tool, around $20 per month. Image tool, another $20 to $30 per month. Video tool, easily $30 to $80 per month. Do the math. That's hundreds per year. SearchAI, pay once, use it without subscription anxiety. That alone gets my attention. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Remember 1999? If you wanted to watch a movie on Friday night, you had to drive to Blockbuster in the rain, hope they had what you wanted, pay $4.99 to rent it for one night. And if you forgot to return it by 6 p.m. the next day, boom, late fees. Then Netflix showed up and said, what if you could watch unlimited movies from your couch for one flat price? Blockbuster laughed. A few years later, they were gone, because once people experienced freedom, they never went back. Now here's the scary scary part. That same shift is happening again, but this time it's AI. Right now, most people pay separately for AI tools: ChatGPT, Google AI, Midjourney, Claude, video tools, voice tools, research tools, different logins, different dashboards, different monthly fees. By the end of the month, you're paying hundreds of dollars and still switching between tabs trying to get work done. It's expensive, it's messy, and it shouldn't be this hard. So let me ask you something. What if AI worked the way Netflix works? Introducing SearchAI, the world's first Netflix-style AI platform that lets you search and use multiple premium AI models from one single dashboard. Imagine this. Instead of guessing which AI tool to use, you open SearchAI, type what you want, and instantly see the best AI models for that task. Writing, images, videos, voiceovers, research, code. You choose the model, click once, and create. No tab hopping, no subscriptions bleeding you dry, no confusion. Inside SearchAI, you can access powerful models like ChatGPT 5.2, Sora 2, Gemini 3, Claude Opus 4.5, Nano Banana, Midjourney, Flow, Stable Diffusion, 11 Labs, Whisper, Synthesia, and 200 plus more premium AI models. All in one place you actually own. Need a video? Type Create a Product Video. SearchAI instantly shows you the best video AIs. Pick one, and your video starts building. Same thing for images, content, ads, voiceovers, everything. Websites, 8K videos, 4K images, articles, ads, speech to text, code, all from one search bar. Now think about this. If you're like most people, you're spending $200 to $400 every month on AI tools. That's thousands per year. And once you stop paying, you lose access. With SearchAI, it's different. You pay once. No monthly subscriptions, no API setup nightmares, no switching between 47 apps. Just one platform built to simplify everything. Old way, multiple tools, multiple payments, constant limits. SearchAI way, one dashboard, one workflow, smart search that does the thinking for you. Simple, obvious, powerful. Now here's what matters. SearchAI is currently available at a one-time launch price, but this won't last. As usage grows and server demand increases, this moves to a monthly pricing model. Early users lock in lifetime access. Late users pay every month, and there's zero risk. Try SearchAI for 30 days. If it doesn't simplify your workflow or save you money, you get a full refund, no questions asked. So here's your choice. Keep renting AI tools one by one, or own a single platform that brings them together. This is your Netflix moment for AI. So let me recap what you're getting. Access to 200 plus premium AI models: ChatGPT, Sora, Gemini, Claude, DALL-E, Midjourney, and 194 plus more. A smart search bar that instantly shows you the best AI for any task. Unlimited 8K video creation. Unlimited 4K image generation. Hyper-realistic voiceovers in 100 plus languages. Website and landing page builder. Article and content writer. Ad copy generator. Speech-to-text transcription. Code generation across all languages. Commercial license included, so you can sell everything you create. And unlimited usage. No credits, no throttling, no limits. Total value, $17,267. What others will pay monthly? $97. What you pay today, one time? That's it. Click the button below this video right now. Lock in your lifetime access before this window closes. Lock in your access and stop paying for scattered AI subscriptions forever.
Now let's be transparent about the upgrades. These are optional. OTO 1, SearchAI Unlimited, around $67 or discounted to $47. This removes limits. If you plan to use SearchAI daily, this is the most important upgrade. OTO 2, Done For You version, around $297 or $197. This gives pre-built setups, good for beginners who hate starting from scratch. OTO 3, Automation Upgrade, about $47 or $27. This helps automate repetitive tasks, solid time saver. OTO 4, Income Booster, roughly $47 or $27. This focuses on monetization ideas, useful for inspiration, not magic money. There are more upgrades, like traffic tools and reseller options, but most people only need one or two. My honest pick, Front-End plus Unlimited. Everything else depends on your goals. Here's my take. I tested SearchAI for content creation and quick marketing tasks. It didn't feel overwhelming. That's rare. I didn't spend 30 minutes choosing tools. I spent 30 seconds typing prompts. That alone saves mental energy, and mental energy equals productivity. This isn't magic, but it removes friction, and friction is what kills progress. Let's keep this honest. SearchAI is not for hardcore developers who want raw API control. It won't make you rich overnight. You still need to think, you still need to execute. And if you hate using AI completely, this won't change your mind. This is a tool, not a lottery ticket. Imagine opening one dashboard, creating everything you need, and closing your laptop without stress. No subscription guilt, no tool overload, no crying into coffee. That's the real value of SearchAI. If you want speed, simplicity, and fewer monthly charges, this makes sense. Launch pricing won't last. Link is below. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. If this helped, hit like. Subscribe for more honest reviews. This is Kamal from testedapps.com. See you in the next one.